Welcome to AI Business Autopilot. Today, you'll get 3 plug-and-play automation blueprints for real estate, clinics, and marketing agencies. Most teams don't lose business because they're bad at service. They lose it because responses are slow, handoffs are messy, and follow-ups fall through. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact workflows, the tools you can use, and the rollout plan, so you can ship your first autopilot in a week and scale without adding headcount. Every automation blueprint in this video follows one simple pattern. A trigger starts it, a router decides what happens, actions do the work, humans approve the risky parts, and everything is logged. No matter the niche, revenue systems are basically 5 stages. Capture the lead, enrich the data, qualify intent, schedule the next step, and nurture until they buy. You don't need 100 tools. Pick one CRM, one automation platform like Zapier, Make, or N8N, one messaging channel, a calendar, and one place to store documents. Let's start with real estate, where speed and consistency win. The goal is simple. Every inquiry gets an instant response, gets matched to the right properties, and gets guided to a showing. Workflow 1 is inquiry to showing booked. When a lead comes in from Zillow, Realtor.com, your website, or ads, create a contact in your CRM and trigger an AI Concierge by SMS or email. The Concierge asks 3 to 5 questions and scores the lead. Hot leads get a calendar link and a confirmation text. Warm leads enter a nurture sequence, and unqualified leads get helpful resources without wasting your time. Workflow 2 is automated property matching. Store criteria like location, price, beds, and must-haves. Then send a weekly digest of matches from your listings feed, tracking clicks to learn what they actually want. Workflow 3 is the transaction timeline autopilot. Once a deal moves to under contract, automatically send milestone updates, request documents, and nudge vendors so clients always feel informed. Next, clinics. Here the big wins are fewer missed calls, fewer no-shows, and faster bookings, while keeping privacy and compliance front and center. Quick compliance note: minimize protected health information in your automation layer. Use HIPAA-ready tools and BAAs where needed, and never let AI diagnose or make clinical decisions. Workflow 1 is website chat to appointment. A simple chat widget or form asks what they're trying to book, collects minimal contact details, and routes them to the right department with a scheduling link. Workflow 2 is missed call recovery. When a call is missed, send a polite text within a minute, offer callback times, create a ticket for staff, and update the patient record automatically. Workflow 3 reduces no-shows with reminders that actually help. Send confirmations, prep instructions, and a one-click reschedule link. And allow two-way SMS so people can reply instead of disappearing. Workflow 4 is post-visit follow-up. After an appointment, send a short check-in survey. If someone reports an issue, alert staff immediately. And if they're happy, ask for a review on Google. Track 4 numbers: time to book, missed call rate, no-show rate, and review velocity. If those improve, revenue improves, and your front desk gets their sanity back. Now, marketing agencies, where the biggest strain is context switching. The autopilot here turns leads into booked calls, turns deals into clean onboarding, and turns delivery into predictable weekly reporting. Workflow 1 is inbound lead to qualified call. When a lead submits a form, enrich the company data, score it, and send a personalized email that answers their likely questions and pushes to one clear next step: book a call. Workflow 2 is proposal to paid. Auto-generate a proposal from your template, send it for e-signature, trigger the invoice, and when payment hits, spin up the project with tasks and deadlines. Workflow 3 is onboarding intake. Collect logins, brand assets, and goals through one form. Automatically create a shared folder, a client channel, and a checklist, so delivery starts without 10 back-and-forth emails. Workflow 4 is content production. Turn a brief into an AI first draft, route it to a human editor, send it for client approval, then schedule publishing and archive every asset so you can reuse what works. Workflow 5 is reporting. Pull performance data into a dashboard, then have AI write a short executive summary. What changed? What worked? What didn't? And the next actions so clients stay confident and retained. Here's the universal template you can copy. Define the trigger, the inputs, the decision rules, the actions, the exceptions, the human owner, and the metric you're trying to move. Decide your source of truth, usually the CRM. Use unique IDs, dedupe aggressively. And always record consent for SMS and email, because messy data breaks automations fast. The secret to reliable AI automation is human in the loop. If confidence is low or the risk is high, pause for approval. And always build a clear escalation path to a real person. If you want momentum, ship in 7 days. Map the process on day 1. Build the simplest version next. Add messaging, then add AI last, and spend the final days testing edge cases and measuring results. Avoid the usual traps. Don't automate a broken process. Don't skip logging. Don't chain 5 tools when one will do. And don't ignore compliance and permissions, especially in healthcare. If you want quick wins, real estate. Instant SMS Concierge, property digests, and transaction updates. Clinics, missed call texts, no-show reminders, and post-visit surveys. Agencies, lead to call, proposal to paid, and weekly reporting. Want the checklist and the blueprint template? Comment Blueprint and subscribe to AI Business Autopilot for practical automations every week. Next up, we'll build an AI phone agent that books appointments and updates your CRM in real time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.